Today accessibility topic is screen readers, the software that makes the application GUI talk. Hi, my name is Abhishek Gupta. I'm the Director of Service Delivery at PLATO. I'm also passionately heading the Accessibility Testing Center of Excellence at my organization. Now, what is digital accessibility? Digital accessibility, it's a process. It is a commitment to make your digital products become more accessible to everyone, including people with disabilities. According to WHO, 16% of the global population experiences disability. Keep in mind that accessibility is not only a project requirement. In many countries, it is the law. To name a few, AODA, Accessibility for Ontarians with Disability Act in Canada, ADA, Americans with Disability Act in the United States, and European Accessibility Act, EAA, in Europe. Understanding WCAG is the first step in your accessibility journey. Now, what is WCAG? WCAG stands for Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. It is a set of guidelines developed by W3C to help developers, designers, content creators to make web content more accessible to people with disabilities. These guidelines cover a wide range of disabilities, including vision, auditory, physical, speech, cognitive, and language. Please refer to PLATO website for some interesting talks on WCAG. The links will be shared along with our post. What is the most pressing question to gauge the state of accessibility of a product? Any guesses? In our opinion, the question that everyone should be asking is, have you tested your application with a screen reader? Now, what is a screen reader? Screen readers are an assistive technology that helps visually impaired or blind individuals to interact with the digital contents. That is one of the most significant requirements for designing your applications, keeping accessibility in mind. What are the key features of a screen reader? Text-to-speech, braille display for tactile reading, keyboard shortcuts that aid in overall page navigation, and pretty much web navigation, reading web pages and allowing navigation through different sections of a page, be it links, headings, and other elements. Not only the web pages, screen readers also aid in document reading, such as emails and other text-based files. There are different types of screen readers for different platforms. For an example, the desktop screen readers, JAWS is a Windows screen reader. It's commercial. It is one of the most popular screen reader and suggested to be used along with Chrome browser. VoiceOver is a screen reader for Mac. It's a built-in on your Apple device and works perfectly with Safari. NVDA is the open source screen reader compatible with Windows, suggested to be used with Firefox browser. There are other mobile screen readers as well. VoiceOver on your Apple device, it's built in, again suggested to be used on Safari. TalkBack is Android screen reader, built in, suggested to be used on Chrome. Are you thinking, why do we need so many screen readers? Can't I just test my application on one screen reader? Great question. But to answer that, let us take you to understand two more concepts, that is accessibility tree and platform accessibility API. Now, how does screen reader talk with a GUI? There are several steps involved in overall screen reader interacting with the elements. It all starts with a browser, parsing the HTML, and creating a DOM. This is a standard web page design that we get in DOM. What we don't know is there is an accessibility tree also getting created by the browser that is exclusively for assistive technology. That is, for an example, a screen reader. In this accessibility tree, we do not bring the entire set of DOM. We only bring the elements that are going to be used by assistive technology. For example, the name, role, and state of an element. After the accessibility tree is being built, then there is a mapping between the accessibility tree and the platform specific API. And that is where the screen readers start reading the tree and voicing it out loud to the user. There are different platform specific APIs. For an example, UIA is for Windows, NS Accessibility is for Mac OS, and Accessibility Node Info is for Android. Now, just by knowing that there are different platform specific accessibility API that works differently for different browsers, hence it is recommended to test your application on more than one screen reader. Many other assistive technologies and tools should be considered to test the current state of accessibility of the products. Screen reader takes a lot of time, and the training is also required for the testers to use it efficiently. At PLATO, we have a lot of solutions in place. We are more than excited to develop a plan together to enhance digital accessibility and contribute to making the world more accessible for everyone. Please visit our website. Thank you so much.